This is the Nursing Full Support Cami. It comes in sizes 32 through 50 and can fit sizes 26 through 56. It works usually best on B through P cups, but A cups can fit in this with pedals or nursing pads. The neckline is exactly the same as the Ultimate Cami if you want to see the front of that in a little different light than this. But you can see how this has the nursing clip right here. So it's a one-handed, you can pull it off with one hand and nurse your baby. And then there's the tether there that keeps this in place. So while you're nursing, the strap doesn't fall back behind your shirt. This is also one of our longest camis, so it works well on everybody, but really great on longer torsos. This is the back of the nursing cami, very similar to the Ultimate Cami in the back as well, but the straps are just a little bit wider, but you can see that it has nice clean lines and that long length. This is the inside of the front of the nursing cami. Again, you can see it has a shelf bra for added support and lift. And then under that shelf bra, if you can see that, it's kind of hard to see, but there's that wave panel that goes up the sides and through and up the middle as well to give that extra added level 5 support for heavier bust lines that have milk. And then you can see the tether here and how it works on the inside to keep that strap on when the mom is nursing. It does have a shaping panel across the middle, so you need to size up in this if you're pregnant, because you don't want as much compression around your middle, but the length is really great during pregnancy because it actually gives a little bit of lift as long as it's not too tight around your middle. And this is the inside of the back of the nursing cami. As you can see, the lines are very similar to the Ultimate Cami, except the paneling goes across the top of the back in a crisscross pattern instead of down the sides. And the reason for this is because nursing breasts tend to be a little heavier since they have milk in them. And so this really helps to give that added support for your back and distribute the weight of your bust line better. And then of course, there's this silicone surgical grade gripper on the bottom to keep it from riding up.